storytelling, you begin a story with the storyteller saying crick, and the audience saying back to the storyteller crack. And that's how the storyteller knows it's time to begin. Are you ready? Crick.
Crack.
Crick. Crack. Crick.
Crack.
Here in America, when you go shopping, you walk into the store, you make your selection, you go up to the cash register, you put your item on the little conveyor belt, and then what happens?
They scan it. Yeah, they scan it and
Exactly. Brilliant. The cashier scans the item, the number comes up on the screen, and you pay that amount of money. If you were to visit the country of Uganda and walk into a small shop in the countryside, that is not how you would pay for your item. You would have to do something called haggling. Haggling is when the shopkeeper gives you one very high price, then you come and give them a very low price. And you go back and forth and back and forth and back and forth until you meet somewhere in the middle. And that is the price you pay for your item. I went to Uganda for the first time 5 years ago to teach in a small school in a small village out in the countryside, or what they call the bush. This was an amazing place to spend 6 weeks with my husband and my best friend teaching art classes to all of the kids. And while we were there, we stayed with a woman named Jaja Constance. Does anyone know what Jaja means?
We have one hand over here.
Oh. If you have to what? You have to do. To do something, and you do well high. Ah, good guess. But the word Jaja means grandma.
Okay.
While we were teaching at the school, we lived with a woman named Jaja Constance. Now, Jaja Constance didn't have any of her own grandchildren, but all of the kids at the school knew her and loved her as Jaja Constance, their very own grandma. Jaja Constance was wise, or she is wise. Jaja Constance is very funny, but maybe more than either of those things, Jaja Constance is one tough cookie. One day, Jaja Constance decided to take me and my husband and my best friend into the city to buy some African fabric to bring back home with us. Now, this is really special. African fabric is a little bit different than some of the fabric that you get here in America. The colors are rich and earthy, the patterns are bold and exciting and geometric, and there's wax in the cloth, so it's a little bit stiffer than cloth that you find here in America. So we were very excited to pile into Jaja Constance's beat up, rattling old red pickup truck and bounce into the city to buy our fabric. We got there and the streets were hot and dusty, and we pulled up right in front of a very small and dirty looking store. We got out of the truck and we walked through the doors. And when we got in there, we felt like we had walked into a cave full of amazing jewels. The fabric was stacked floor to ceiling. There was piles of fabric in the middle of the store and we had to squeeze by everything just to dig through everything. And oh, we could have spent hours in there looking through all the fabric. But eventually it was time to go, and so we had to make our selections and bring our selections to the two old women sitting in the back of the store, fanning off the midday heat. And I brought my selections to them, and I remembered what Jaja Constance had told me. She said, "Rachel, when you make your fabric selections, you're going to have to haggle." I had never haggled before. I didn't know how to do that. I was so nervous. I brought my fabric to them and I said, I'm this fabric. They said. And they gave me a very high price. And I said, I reached for my purse without giving her a low number, but just out of the corner of my eye, who do you think I saw? Jaja Constance. She puffed up her chest with confidence, and she strode across the store like she owned the place. She stepped right in front of me, and what do you think she did? She haggled with those two old women. And she brought my price down by almost half. Whew. What a relief. We turned to leave the store with my fabric in hand, and Jaja Constance put her arm around my shoulder and she said, Rachel, when you become a better Ugandan, you will know how to haggle.